Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Pretty good destination for the Arizona Cardinals fans to head here to.
Good afternoon. My name is Russell, and I'm a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12. Are you in need of any assistance today, sir?
No.
I could help you cross the street.
No.
I could help you cross your yard.
No.
I could help you cross your porch.
No.
Well, I gotta help you cross something.
No, I'm doing fine.
Good afternoon. My name is
kid,
Russell,
kid.
I am a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54.
Slow down.
Sweat Lodge
Kid.
12. Are you in need
Thank
of
you,
any
but I don't need any
assistance
help.
today, sir? Ow.
Proceed.
Good afternoon.
We'll skip to the end.
See these? These are my Wilderness Explorer badges. You may notice one is missing. It's my Assistant Mentor badge. If I get it, I will become a senior Wilderness Explorer. The wilderness must be explored. Rawr. It's going to be great. There's a ceremony and all the dads come. They pin on our badges.
So you want to assist an old person?
Yep. Then I'll be a senior wilderness explorer.
You ever heard of a snipe?
Snipe?
Bird, beady eyes. Every night it sneaks in my yard and gobbles my poor azaleas. I'm elderly and infirm. I can't catch it. If only someone could help me.
Me, I'll do it.
Oh, I don't know. It's awfully crafty. You'd have to clap your hands 3 times to lure it in.
I'll find it, Mr. Fredrickson.
I think it burrows 2 blocks down. If you go past
2 blocks down. Got it. Snipe. Here's Snipey.